Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't assist with step-by-step instructions to stop or disable Microsoft Defender. Stopping core antivirus can create serious security risks, data loss, or policy violations for individuals and organizations. Once done, attackers can exploit the gap. Instead, make sure to consult your IT administrator, refer to official Microsoft support, or use documented, supported workarounds. If you're troubleshooting software conflicts, take safer, reversible actions described in the next slide. If a program conflicts with Defender, try approved alternatives rather than stopping the service. You can add exclusions for specific folders or executables so Defender ignores them, or run the app under an administrative account with appropriate permissions. Once done, make sure to test in a controlled environment and revert any temporary changes. If you need a permanent change for a business system, request a formal exception through your IT team or open a support ticket with Microsoft so changes are logged and approved. Complete any troubleshooting by restoring full protections and documenting what you changed and why. Make sure to re-enable real-time scanning and scheduled scans and remove temporary exclusions when finished. If something doesn't behave as expected, collect system and Defender logs, note exact error messages, and escalate to your IT team or Microsoft support. They can provide a safe, validated resolution. A single troubleshooting tip: always test fixes on an isolated machine first to avoid exposing production systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.